In today's fast-paced world, we all lead busy lives. Finding time to cook healthy meals can be a real struggle. However, it's essential to nourish our bodies with clean, wholesome food. That's where meal prepping comes to the rescue. Meal prepping is a fantastic way to save time during the week without sacrificing your health. In this video, I will share some of the best healthy meal prep ideas that will help you save time and eat clean. Whether you're a working professional, a student, or simply someone who wants to make healthier choices, these meal prep ideas are perfect for you. Let's get started. 11. Healthy meal prep for busy people. Save time and eat clean. 1. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a fantastic option for breakfast meal prep. They're easy to make and require no cooking. Simply combine rolled oats, milk or yogurt, chia seeds, fruits and nuts in a jar or container. Let it soak overnight and you have a delicious, nutritious breakfast ready to go. Overnight oats are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. 2. Mason jar salads. Mason jar salads are a colorful and convenient meal prep option. Layer your favorite salad ingredients in a mason jar with dressing on the bottom. Start with leafy greens, then add vegetables, protein sources like grilled chicken or chickpeas, and finish with a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. This salad stays fresh for up to 5 days, making it perfect for lunch. 3. Sheet pan chicken and vegetables. Sheet pan meals are a breeze to prepare and clean up. Toss chicken breast and your favorite vegetables onto a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and season with herbs and spices. Roast in the oven until the chicken is cooked through. This meal is packed with protein and vegetables, making it a balanced and nutritious choice. 4. Lentil soup. Lentil soup is a hearty and filling meal prep option. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. In a pot, saute onions, carrots, and celery, then add lentils, vegetable broth, and spices such as cumin and coriander. Simmer until the lentils are tender. This soup is perfect for a cozy winter day or anytime you're craving a comforting meal. 5. Quinoa bowls. Quinoa is a versatile grain that can be used as a base for delicious bowls. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. While it's cooking, chop vegetables and herbs. Once the quinoa is cooked, assemble your bowl by layering quinoa, vegetables, protein sources like tofu or black beans, and a flavorful sauce. 6. Hard-boiled eggs and avocado toast. Hard-boiled eggs are a quick and easy protein source. While the eggs are boiling, toast your favorite bread. Mash avocado with salt and pepper and spread it on the toast. Top with the sliced hard-boiled egg and enjoy. This meal is packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. 7. Greek yogurt with fruit and honey. Greek yogurt is a high-protein breakfast option. In a bowl, mix Greek yogurt with honey or maple syrup for added sweetness. Top with your favorite fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. This meal is not only delicious, but also high in protein and calcium. 8. Chicken burrito bowls. Chicken burrito bowls are a healthy twist on traditional burritos. Cook brown rice and black beans. Season chicken breast with taco seasoning and bake or grill it. Assemble your burrito bowl by layering rice, beans, chicken, and your favorite toppings such as salsa, guacamole, and Greek yogurt or sour cream. 9. Turkey and cranberry wraps. Turkey and cranberry wraps are perfect for the holidays or anytime you're craving a festive meal. Spread cranberry sauce on whole wheat tortillas. Add slices of turkey breast, lettuce, tomato, and onion. Roll up the wraps and enjoy. These wraps are a great source of protein and fiber. 10. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Baked salmon is a nutritious and flavorful meal option. Place salmon fillets and chopped vegetables on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Bake in the oven until the salmon is cooked through. This meal is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins. 11. Slow cooker beef stew. Slow cooker meals are perfect for busy individuals. In a slow cooker, combine beef chunks, chopped vegetables, and beef broth. Season with herbs and spices such as thyme and rosemary. Cook on low heat for 6 to 8 hours. This stew is incredibly comforting and perfect for a cold evening. Meal prepping can significantly improve your health and well-being by helping you make better food choices and avoid unhealthy takeout options. It allows you to control the ingredients in your meals, ensuring that you're consuming fresh, wholesome food. With just a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals that support your active lifestyle. So why wait? Start meal prepping today and reap the benefits of a healthier, more convenient lifestyle.